us Dr. Praveen Verma, a senior scientist, National Institute of Plant Genomic Research situated in New Delhi. Uh, Sir is working on different aspects of plant-fungi interactions as well as plant herbivore interaction, right? So on behalf of coordinator, I welcome Dr. Praveen Verma, sir. Again, we have with us Dr. Girish Goswami, sir, who is a project director at Guj Coast, that is a prime research funding agency who is taking care for financing different scientific projects as well as a workshop webinar for the institution in the statutory of Gujarat state. Now, before I request honorable guest to say the word of wisdom with our participants for their inspiration and other things, I just ask a few of the participants to share his or her opinion with respect to this RDT course, right? So uh, interested participants can share the experience regarding this workshop, what they feel about this workshop, the benefits that they obtain from this workshop. So please, the stage is open for the participants. Yes, participants.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I, Ruksar Ansari, studying MSc Microbiology from Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Uh, by watching the present scenario, we students are the social category that has been hit very hard by this corona pandemic, and for sustaining knowledge during this pandemic, this is a great initiative started by Dr. Gopalji Gopal and his team. So I would like to thank all of them, and definitely it would be very much informative session and will be very much helpful during whole my life. And thank you so much. It is really very much informative and knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ruksar. We are expecting experience or opinion from few more participants, maybe couple of participants.
Faculties, any faculty? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is Dr. Nishant Dundarkar from Government Science College, Wakal. And this course, as far as this course is concerned, the course was very nicely executed by Dr. Gopalji Gopal sir. And it was not only just one-way communication, it was two-way communication, and it was very interactive. So the course participants, they were also very much important part of this course, and they very nicely interacted, and they tried to clear the doubts. They tried to ask the doubts to the Gopalji sir, and Gopalji sir very nicely explained the things, and he used to clear all the doubts, not only just the RDT technology, but many mathematical problem solving approach. That aspect was also taught in this course. So that is a very nice thing, which is a need of the hour for all the life scientists, life science graduates and postgraduate students. So overall, I would like to say that this course was very nicely executed, and I wish all the best to Dr. Gopalji Gopal sir for taking this course to a next level. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Other participants?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Dhruva Trivedi, and I am currently pursuing masters from St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. So I would like to say that yes, this course was very helpful to us, and as Dr. Nishant sir said that it was interactive and many such aspects even apart from the mathematical problems were covered and executed by sir so nicely that we have definitely learned much more than we used to know regarding RDNA technology. So thank you sir for teaching us in such a friendly and easy manner.
Okay, thank you, Dhruva.
Thank you, Dhruva.
Any more interested?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
You can proceed.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm Karuna, and I'm from
Can I
Sensor.
give my feedback? Hello, Gopal.
Yes, Dr. Anil, sir, you can proceed. You can share your opinion.
Yes. Hello. Anil sir, बोलिए.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Anil Singh. I am an assistant professor at government. Yes, hello. Yes, sir. Audible हो मैं?
Yes, sir, we are able to listen you. Yes, sir, you are clearly audible.
Hello,
Please
am I
continue.
audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Anil Singh. I am working as assistant professor at Government Science College, Wakal. Good evening. I have been teaching this recombinant DNA technology course at my place, and I have a teaching experience of 8 years. And still, when I heard about this course, I wanted to join it because I was supposed to teach the same topic in my present semester. Initially, I thought that I don't know how this course will be delivered online, but when I attended the classes and heard Gopalji, I found him very interesting, and I would like to congratulate Gopal sir for delivering this course in an excellent way in an online mode. Sir, it was very interactive sessions, and I had learned a lot, especially how to teach this particular course online.
Thank you, sir.
And I would also like to thank the students who had actively participated. Students, especially Karuna Dave, Nishi Modi, who were very active. From the questions that they asked, we come to know that what are the difficulties that students face when we are teaching this course. Okay, most of the time, as in this course also you would have seen, most of the students do not ask any question. Okay, so when we are teaching as a teacher, it becomes very difficult for us to know what are the difficulties that they are facing. And when students comes up with question, it also gives us idea where as a teacher we should improve. Okay, so I would also like to thank the students who were very active, Karuna and Nishi and others, for asking such questions that really improves our teaching as a teacher. And finally, I would like to thank GSBTM for organizing such a workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Gopal sir, and all the organizers.
Thank you so much. And I also feel proud that I would like to mention, sir, that Dr. Nishant Junarkar and Anil Singh qualified NET several times. They are NET qualified, and recently they qualified GPSC, Gujarat Public Service Commission, and then they joined that Gujarat Government Science College. So it's matter of pride for me also that they are also satisfied with my teaching. But sometimes some BSc student they may not understand, or sometimes they may give exaggerated report.
You are excellent teacher, sir. There is no doubt about that.
Yes. So it's good that you also learn something from my teaching. That's just good. Thank you. Thank you for your honest feedback. And always feedback improves the teaching quality. So that's why it's required. And I request all the participants, you also write online feedback for future. Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Please mute your mic. One by one, Karuna. First.
Yes,
Karuna.
sir.
Yes.
Should I continue, or then after Nishimodi, I will speak?
No, you can continue, Karuna.
Hello.
Okay, sir. So I'm Karuna, and I have cleared my MSc in 2019 from St. Xavier's College, and I'm preparing for NET exam. I was reading from Primrose, this recombinant biotechnology and all this, but after this course you give me much more clarity, and every time we see that only theoretical knowledge is not much sufficient. When you do practical, then you get more clarity what was the condition. But in this case, if in future if I may pursue PhD in this RDT technology, I have idea of the pros, cons, and what are the difficulty I will be facing in future. So there was a such a elaborative theoretical knowledge that give me practical idea that whenever I will perform this may happen, if in this place, what will I do? So that clarity I got from you, and you always encourage to my question, and so thank you so much, sir, for that, sir. And just a suggestion, just that today I see that your immunoprecipitate you taught that immuno pull down assay and all that, and so I would like to learn more about your PhD work that you do, so in detail, so I get to learn more things. So much, sir.
Thank you, Karuna. So now you mute your mic, and thank you for making this course interactive, because you have extended my time. So
Yes, sir.
after 5 minutes, Nisi and Karuna and Riksha, few participants, they tame my speed. They stop my speed. That is
No, every time you describe me, I was such involved that after that, if I am scientist, what I will do the next steps, what I will do the next step, and that, so you elaborated in such a way that I was thinking as myself, if I have no any this reagent, or if I consult this condition, what I will do. So that your elaboration was such a that I was thinking that, so I was continuous asking you questions. Sorry for that.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nisi.
Yes, I'm Nishi Modi from Gujarat University. So I'm totally agreed with Nishant sir, Anil sir, and Karuna. सर आफ्टर लॉकडाउन मैंने बहुत सारे वेबिनार अटेंड किए, पर ये फर्स्ट मतलब वेबिनार है जो 10 डेज तक चला है, और मैंने मतलब इंटरेस्टिंगली पार्टिसिपेट किया। तो जैसे 5 बजते हैं तो मतलब 5 बजे है तो फिर आ जाने का वेबिनार में, और लास्ट में आप डिस्कशन करते हैं तब तक मुझे मतलब मजा आता है कि सर क्या सिखाएंगे, कौन क्या पूछेगा, तो मतलब इंटरेस्टिंगली एंजॉय किया। मतलब सर थैंक यू फॉर दैट।
थैंक यू एक्टिव स्टूडेंट होते तो टीचर को भी मजा आता है, सो इट्स गुड।
हेलो।
Okay, thank you, Nishi.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, we are listening, sir.
Yes, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Myself, Pranita Desle, Principal of SSPM College of Pharmacy, Maharashtra. I am express immense gratitude to our Mr. Gopalji on behalf of all the participants, such a great knowledgeable booster during this COVID-19 crisis. I think it's a God gift like program. I am very thankful to all the participants as well as Gopal ji. एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत से वेबिनार अरेंज किए, बहुत से प्रोग्राम अरेंज किए, उसमें लास्ट में ऑडिबल ना, आई एम ऑडिबल? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
you are
yes,
audible.
yes.
हाँ, बहुत से बड़े बड़े प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया, आज तक वेबिनार अटेंड किए, सब कुछ किया, लेकिन इस प्रोग्राम की मुझे खासियत ये लगी कि दिस प्रोग्राम इज कम्प्लीटली फ्रॉम जस्ट गिविंग द नॉलेज. इस प्रोग्राम को आपकी तरफ से कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, इनको सिर्फ आपको नॉलेज बढ़ाने का है, आपको नॉलेज देने का है, क्योंकि हर वेबिनार में उनका एक टाइम रहता है लास्ट के 10 या 15 मिनट क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. लेकिन गोपाल जी का एक बात को बहुत ही मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि उनको अगर क्वेश्चन पहले आधे घंटे से अगर किसी ने चालू नहीं किया तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जो कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, मैं जो एक्सप्रेस कर रहा हूँ, इसका कुछ भी फायदा नहीं, इसका कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं. दे ऑलवेज लाइक टू इंटरेक्ट. ये मुझे बहुत बढ़िया बात लगी. सच में ये एक्सपीरियंस कभी भी नहीं भूल पाऊंगा. वंस अगेन आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू गोपाल जी, एंटायर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ऑल हिज मेंबर. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल सर. दिस इज अ ग्रेट टाइम विथ यू. Thank you so very much. And I am
Thank you, sir.
okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Desle. So we are thankful to all participants ranging from. Yes, sir.
Let other participants, if they wish to express, let them express. I request our guests to wait for four more minutes.
Okay, sir. I'm thinking with that perspective whether it is too lengthy.
If any of you are interested to share, you can share.
Yes. So anyone?
Anyone, if you wish to
Sir?
share, yes.
Yes, sir. So myself,
Yes.
Kinjal Patel from Department of Bioscience, Bakrol at Anand. Yes, sir. I wish to say that it was such a beautiful experience of myself, and I like the most thing is that in you, the examples which you used to give us, the live examples which you used to give us while teaching the topics, different topics. So it was the best experience, and I gained a lot of knowledge because I don't like genetic subject. But I, by hearing and listening to your lectures, I would like to say that it was a wonderful experience, and I gained a lot of knowledge because I don't like to learn about vectors and all that topics, as I have completed my master's in microbiology. But when I heard your lectures and your this daily doubts clearing and everything, I like vectors also to learn new whatever. So it was a great experience, sir, and I would like to thank you so much because you also worked very hard for us by clearing our doubts and taking each and every topic to a clarity level so that no doubt arises anymore. Thank you so much, Gopalji, sir.
Thank